Hello science enthusiasts. Do you want your child to understand science involved in kitchen? If yes, then watch this video till the end. Because in this video, I am going to turn magical chemistry into a beautiful art. And that too using kitchen items. So what you have to do, arrange these materials from your kitchen. You need to arrange turmeric, baking soda, white sheet, cotton plug or cotton and 2 small bowls and earbud. I hope you have arranged these materials now. Let's start the activity. Fold the paper into 2 forms so that it becomes a kind of greeting card. Then make 2 solutions, one turmeric solution and other is baking soda solution. Now take the cotton plug, dip it into the turmeric solution and rub it on the white sheet just to give it a colorful appearance. Let it dry for some time. So now the greeting card becomes yellowish in color. Right? Now what you have to do, take the earbud, dip it into the baking soda solution and hold it like a pen and start drawing whatever you want to make. I suggest you make a kind of greeting card for your parents. Okay, so draw, you can write anything like I love you mom, I love you dad. You can draw pictures. Okay, wonderful. How the color is changing? Is it still the yellow or it is changing into the red color?